Hey, this is Phil. Welcome to a quick recap on 5 ways bad credit can be hurting you every single day. Before we jump into the review, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy another article review from the Next Chapter team. Hey, jumping into it, here's a couple of flags that show that you probably have a bad credit report. And things like you pay your bills late consistently. You've defaulted on bills. So that means not paying it, right? Some of your bills have actually went to collections. You've got rejected from loan applications or even rejected from credit card applications. These are clear signs that you likely have bad credit or have some major issues on your credit report. Going a little further, FICO calls a bad credit report anywhere between 300 and 579 is your credit score. And versus the Vantage score, this is usually for your soft credits, this would be 300 to 499. These are very poor. And then poor for the Vantage would be like 500 to 600. That puts you in the quote-unquote classification of bad credit. All right, now jumping into the first impact of having a bad credit report, one, higher cost of loans and credit. So that 0% APR on a new car, not happening for you. And in fact, when you even get a used car, you're going to have a higher interest rate. Second, on those credit cards, you're going to have a higher interest rate. And if you're not thinking that it's high yet, credit cards are allowed to actually increase your interest rate on the credit cards incrementally over a period of time, and further, they will go to the highest available interest rate allowed in your state. So bad credit is going to hurt you on your day-to-days and the big things like credit and loans. Next up, insurance premiums. So that's right. So your car insurance, life insurance, and even rental insurance can have a higher insurance premium because they do a soft credit check. So I called out FICO and Vantage. Vantage is usually used for soft credit. That's the preliminary check before they do a hard credit check. So you have bad credit report, you're likely going to be paying higher insurance premiums on things you need. It won't affect your health insurance premiums. That's more dictated by your job and health factors. That's not led by your credit. Number 3, you have a bad credit report. You might have difficulty renting a house or other things that require a credit background check before you do the rental agreement. Now, not all cases, you may be able to explain this away, but this will typically increase your impact on renting. Now, what they'll do is they may say, in your case, we increase your first and last month plus a security deposit, things so they can protect themselves as the person issuing you this rental agreement. Ultimately, this of course leads to more money out of your pocket. Again, bad credit, number 4, could lead to increased security deposits for utilities. That's right. So your lights, your water, your gas, these utility companies will do some level of credit check. And if you have bad credit, they may end up requiring a security deposit. Sometimes it's very small, but sometimes it can be rather large, depending on the situation and the way the utility company is set up. So again, all of these things, these day-to-day things are impacted by your credit history. And the 5th and final item for this video, limited job opportunities. I want to call this out. There are federal, state jobs, and even corporate jobs that will do a credit check on you, either as they are trying to hire you or even during your employment. That's right. There'll be certain jobs that you will not be allowed in. And I've even heard this in military, certain jobs. I can't get into which ones they are. There are certain jobs that they will check your credit. And if you have bad credit and you can't explain it, they may not be allowed to hire you for that job. And I want to call this out. These jobs, there's a theme that I just mentioned. A lot of these jobs have pensions. Now, if you're one of those persons that wants a pension, they're a great utility in building wealth. If you can make it work, right? Of course, you could be getting yourself excluded because you have bad credit. So this is a real killer. 5 impacts of bad credit. 1, higher costs of loans and credit cards. 2, increased insurance premiums. That's right. Insurance companies do a soft credit check on you. 3, bad credit. You're going to have a hard time renting houses and even doing other things that require a soft credit check every time you do the transaction. Number 4, security deposits on utilities and other services that require a hard or soft credit check. And number 5 thing that a lot of people don't think about, limited job opportunities. That's right. There are some great jobs out there, very stable pension jobs that you will not be able to get because you have bad credit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a quick thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm show this to others. Also, if you're serious about hitting your financial goals Don't miss out on our free weekly newsletter. Head down to the description below, click the link, register to unlock some bonus tips and strategies we only share for our subscribers.